have discussed this earlier as well. I just would like to ask you to tell me that what are the things which are required to make a complete circuit?
A bulb.
Think and tell me. Yes.
And a switch.
Yes, exactly.
And battery holder.
Yes, exactly. Battery holder, bulb. And we did that experiment as well. Remember when we did this? You were present in that day?
No.
Okay. Tell me, beta, if we will not switch, we will not plug the switch, what will happen? Would the bulb light up or not?
No.
No. It has to be a complete circuit. Only then the electricity will be produced. The would light up. Otherwise, it would not light up. Okay?
Okay.
We need to have a complete circuit in order to light up the bulb. Okay? Or for example, if we need to turn on the electrical appliance, any electrical appliance, it is a necessary thing that it should be completed. The circuit should be completed. Only then it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay?
Okay.
So what to do? This was another thing. Just read what to do.
How can Zafar get brighter bulb? How can he make his buzzer work well? Make up a circuit for him. What will you change?
Okay, beta. Just read. Decide what you will observe or measure. Remember to make only one change at a time. You could use these ideas or think of a change of your own. Okay, beta? As we have discussed this earlier as well, if we are going to lit up only one bulb, one battery would be enough. Okay? But listen to me, Asha. When there is only one battery and one bulb, it would work the way it is, okay? And if we are going to add one more battery to it, the bulb would get more brighter, okay? Because it is getting electricity from two batteries. Okay, beta?
Okay.
In the same way, if the battery is one and we are going to add two bulbs, okay, then the energy of this battery would be divided into two bulbs, right? Because now we have attached two bulbs to it. Okay? When we will add two bulbs to it, then they will get dimmer, a bit dimmer. Okay? First it was very bright, but later on it will get a little bit dimmer. Okay? Okay. Now read what you need. In order to have a complete circuit, please read what you need. It's written on page number 84. What you need?
Batteries, bulbs, a buzzer,
Yes.
and an electricity motor.
Electric motor.
Electric motor. Connecting wires. A light sensor.
Sensor. Okay. Great. Actually, let me read. Now, because there are no more students in the class, so I'll have to read it with you. Now, there are some boys, and a girl, they are sitting together and they thought that we should discuss something. They are discussing, can you see these speech bubbles on page number 84?
Yes.
Right? Actually, these boys and girls, they are friends, they are talking to each other and they are discussing something. So let's find out what are they talking about, okay?
Okay.
You need a bigger battery. You should add more batteries, then the bulbs will be brighter. As we have discussed, when we will add more batteries, then the bulb would be more brighter. Just wait, Minha is here as well. Let me talk to her.
Okay.
Minha,